Wait! Before we start, do you want a bundle of 30 printable Russian PDF cheat sheets? Teaching you words and phrases for conversations for free? Then click the link in the description and sign up for a free lifetime account to get access.
Welcome to Can Do Russian by RussianPod101.com.
Привет всем! Я Катя Коваленко. Hi everyone, I'm Katya Kovalenko. In this lesson, you'll learn how to ask how much something costs.
This is Ben Lee, and he's shopping at a small grocery store. He sees a coffee stand with no visible price tag and asks, "How much does coffee cost?"
Сколько стоит кофе?
Listen to the conversation and focus on the question. Ready?
Сколько стоит кофе? 100 рублей.
Once more with the English translation.
Сколько стоит кофе?
How much does coffee cost?
100 рублей.
100 rubles.
Let's take a closer look at the conversation.
Do you remember how Ben asks, "How much does coffee cost?"
Сколько стоит кофе?
Let's start with
Сколько?
how much in this context.
Сколько? Сколько?
Next is
Стоит?
costs.
Стоит. Стоит. Стоит.
Is from the verb
Стоить.
to cost.
Стоить.
Next is
Кофе.
coffee.
Кофе. Кофе.
Сколько стоит кофе?
Let's take a closer look at the response.
Do you remember how the shop clerk says 100 rubles?
«100 рублей».
First is
100.
100.
100. 100.
Next is
Рублей.
rubles, the name of the currency.
Рублей. Рублей.
Note,
Рублей.
is from
Рубль. Рублей.
is used as
100.
100 ends in 0. Altogether, it's
100 рублей.
100 rubles.
100 рублей.
Note, the first part of the sentence,
Кофе стоит.
coffee costs, is omitted. The pattern is
Сколько стоит item?
how much does item cost?
Сколько стоит item?
To use this pattern, simply replace the item placeholder with the thing you'd like to know the price of. Note, this pattern requires a noun. For example, imagine you'd like to know the price of a tea.
Чай. Чай.
Tea.
Чай. Чай.
Ask, how much does a tea cost? Ready?
Сколько стоит чай?
How much does a tea cost?
Сколько стоит чай?
Note, the word order in Russian often is not important, so the phrase
Сколько чай стоит?
is equivalent to
Сколько стоит чай?
and.
Чай сколько стоит?
All those phrases mean, how much does a tea cost?
Почем это? How much is it? First is почем, how much, where is omitted. Then is a demonstrative pronoun это, this.
Altogether, it's
Почем это?
literally it means how much this, but translates as how much is it? The pattern is
Почем item?
how much is item.
Почем item?
To use this pattern, simply replace the item placeholder with the thing you'd like to know the price of. Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
Сколько стоит кофе? Сколько стоит кофе?
Сколько стоит чай? Сколько стоит чай?
Сколько стоит торт? Сколько стоит торт?
Почем это? Почем это?
Сколько это стоит? Сколько это стоит? Did you notice how I used a slightly different pattern? Сколько это стоит?
Literally, how much this costs, but it translates as how much does this cost? First is
Сколько?
how much in this context.
Сколько? Сколько?
Next is
Это.
this.
Это. Это.
You can use this word while pointing at something near you. It's useful when you want to refer to something you don't know the word for in Russian. Next is
Стоит.
costs.
Стоит. Стоит. Стоит.
Is from the verb
Стоить.
to cost.
Стоить.
Altogether, it's
Сколько это стоит?
this literally translates as how much this costs, but it translates as how much does this cost? You should be aware of this shortcut, but for this lesson, we'll use the pattern
Сколько стоит? Item.
how much does item cost? Let's review the key words.
Кофе.
Coffee,
Кофе. Кофе. Чай.
tea,
Чай. Чай. Торт.
cake,
Торт. Торт. Это.
this,
Это. Это. Let's review. Respond to the prompts by speaking loud. Then repeat after me, focusing on pronunciation. Ready? Do you remember how to say coffee? Кофе. Кофе. And how to say how much? Сколько. Сколько. And how to say costs? Стоит. Стоит. Do you remember how Ben Lee asks, how much does coffee cost?
Сколько стоит кофе?
Сколько стоит кофе? Do you remember how to say 100? 100. 100. Do you remember how the clerk says 100 rubles?
$100.
100 рублей. Do you remember how to say tea? Чай. Чай. Do you remember how to say cake? Торт. Торт. Do you remember how to say this? Это. Это.
Let's practice. Imagine you're Ben, and you're at a farmer's market. Ask for the price of a coffee. Ready?
Сколько стоит кофе?
100 рублей.
Listen again and repeat.
Сколько стоит кофе? Сколько стоит кофе?
Let's try another. They're also selling cake. Ready?
Сколько стоит торт?
500 рублей.
Listen again and repeat.
Сколько стоит торт? Сколько стоит торт?
Let's try one more. Imagine you're Ben, and you're at a farmer's market. You'd like to try a snack with no price tag. Ask for the price of that snack. Ready?
Сколько это стоит?
500 рублей.
Listen again and repeat.
Сколько это стоит? Сколько это стоит?
This is the end of this lesson.
Remember, these can-do lessons are about learning practical language skills. What's next? Show us what you can do. When you're ready, take your assessment. You can take it again and again, so try anytime you like. Our teachers will assess it and give you your results.
Now you know how to ask how much something costs in Russian. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing and move on to the next lesson. This is the end of this lesson.
Now, here's what you can do to cement this conversation in your head. Review the conversation with our dialogue tool and lesson transcripts. Study the key words and phrases with our spaced repetition flashcards. Review the key grammar and cultural tips inside the lesson notes. And test yourself with our assessment tests. So click the link in the description right now and sign up for your free lifetime account to access our Can-Do course.
Now you know how to ask how much something costs in Russian. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing and move on to the next lesson.
Want to easily remember new vocab and phrases? Fact: everyone, beginners and advanced learners alike, forgets new words the first time they learn them. So what's the secret to remembering? What do smart learners do? They note them down and review them later. And you can do this with our study tool called the Word Bank, your extended brain for language learning. And in this video, you'll discover 1. How to save keywords and phrases, 2. How to review the words so that you never forget them, and 3. How to create your own printable vocabulary worksheets. But first, if you don't yet have access to this tool and our lessons, just click the link down in the description and sign up for your free lifetime account right now. First, what is the Word Bank? The Word Bank is a premium study tool, and it's your personal language database where you can save new words and phrases with a single click, review them all in one spot, and never forget them. Think of it as your extended brain for language learning. Look for the Word Bank in the vocabulary drop-down menu on the site, or inside the menu in our app. So, how do you take full advantage of this powerful study tool? 2. How to save keywords and phrases. If you're taking a lesson and want to save key vocab, simply go to the vocabulary section. Select the words you'd like to save and click on Add to Word Bank. If you're using the core word list, like the 2,000 most common words, or the vocabulary lists, select the words, go to Add Selected Words, and click on Word Bank. Now, the words and phrases are saved in your Word Bank, and you can even organize the entries with labels like adjectives, verbs, or phrases. 3. How to review the words. Once you save the words to your Word Bank, you can easily see all of them, all in one spot. With every word or phrase, you get the audio pronunciation, the translation, and even the related lessons where they're introduced. That way, you can review the words one by one. If you'd like to study words with flashcards, just click on Sync to Flashcard Deck. This will create a flashcard deck of your Word Bank entries for you to study. 4. How to create your own printable vocabulary worksheets. If you want to have physical worksheets and practice writing the words on paper, then click on Printer-Friendly Version and print out your Word Bank entries. You can even export your Word Bank as PDF, CSV, or XML files. Remember, you can use this powerful feature with flashcards, lessons, and vocab lists, so take advantage right now. Save new words and phrases to your Word Bank with a single click. Review them all in one spot and never forget them with the Word Bank feature. But if you don't yet have access, sign up for a free lifetime account right now. Just click the link in the description to get your free lifetime account. Now that you're finished with this lesson, don't forget, as a free bonus, you get over 30 conversation cheat sheets, but only if you sign up via the link in the description. You'll learn how to have flowing conversations and how to answer the most common questions. You can also print out these colorful cheat sheets to keep as physical study material. So don't miss out on this free gift. Click the link in the description and sign up for a free lifetime account to get your PDF cheat sheets.